Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best melt for us is probably one of the most versatile and innovative products to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that has captured the attention of consumers worldwide. Its ability to seamlessly integrate into various aspects of daily life, from enhancing home ambience to simplifying complex tasks, makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking efficiency and elegance. This product doesn't just perform, it transforms experiences, making it an essential addition for modern households and discerning individuals alike. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt-In Milk SPF 60. Introducing our advanced sun protection formula. It offers broad-spectrum SPF 60 to shield your skin from harmful rays. This versatile sunscreen is perfect for both your face and body. Enjoy comfortable wear without any greasy residue. Experience its incredibly lightweight texture. It absorbs quickly into your skin, leaving it feeling soft and protected. Beyond sun protection, it's enriched with powerful antioxidants. These help to defend your skin against environmental damage. Formulated to be oil-free and oxybenzone-free, it's a gentle yet effective choice for daily use. Feel confident and protected all day long. What we like? This sunscreen offers robust SPF 60 protection with added antioxidants. It absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. If you need reliable daily sun protection for both face and body, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The texture is smooth and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It doesn't leave a white cast, which is a huge plus for my medium skin tone. It absorbs quickly and leaves a velvety finish, not a white cast or greasy residue. Number 4. Melt for You. Experience the ultimate treat with Melt for You. It's a delightful way to indulge your senses. Prepare to be swept away by its charm. Each piece is meticulously crafted to bring you the finest quality. We use only the best ingredients to ensure a superior taste. You'll savor every moment. Discover a symphony of flavors that will dance on your palate. From rich and decadent to light and fruity, there's something for everyone. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Share the joy with loved ones or keep it all to yourself. It's the perfect accompaniment to any occasion. Make your moments even more special. Give yourself the gift of pure happiness. It's more than just a treat, it's an invitation to relax and enjoy. Treat yourself today. What we like? Experience a deeply nourishing formula that leaves your skin feeling soft and smelling great. It provides a comforting, hydrating sensation. If you're looking for a product that pampers your skin while offering a delightful sensory experience, this is the one for you. What people say. Melt for You is a slow burn romance with a likable heroine and a completely lovable Scottish hero in the USA. I love a good slow burn and it is executed here with perfection. The audible version is amazing. The narrator masterfully brings to life all the characters with their differing accents, ages, personalities, and genders by giving them distinct voices and acting out all the parts with the right tone and comedic timing. This is a good one. Yes, the plot is pretty much one that's been done a zillion times before. Yes, it's predictable. Yes, I've met characters like these before, many a time. Yes to all that, but I didn't care. I loved the hero and the heroine and was rooting for the inevitable HEA all the way through the story. Number 3. Melt for Us, Order of the Unseen. Prepare to be captivated. This is Melt for Us, the first installment in the Order of the Unseen series. Immerse yourself in a world of mystery and intrigue. Step into the Order of the Unseen. A secret society, hidden agendas, and a destiny waiting to unfold. What secrets lie within? Discover a realm where shadows hold power and truth is a carefully guarded secret. Every page turned reveals a new layer of suspense. Join the characters as they navigate a dangerous path, seeking answers that could change everything. Can they uncover the truth before it's too late? Get ready to lose yourself in this thrilling narrative. Melt for Us is the beginning of an unforgettable journey. You won't be able to put it down. What we like? Dive into a story that is both unique and deeply engaging. It explores thought-provoking themes that will stay with you. If you appreciate literature that offers a fresh perspective and a compelling narrative, this is a must-read. What people say. The bond and connection between Quinn, Damien, Jensen, and Micah becomes stronger and more intense. the need to protect and defend Quinn is unstoppable. Our masked men are at it again, willing to do anything for their Quinn. Damien, Ghost, is still as crazy and dominant as ever. Jensen, Jason, is strong and fun. Micah, Michael, is so sweet and caring. Number 2. U.S. Cake Supply Liquid Candy Food Color 8-Bottle Kit. Unlock a spectrum of vibrant hues for all your confectionery projects. This kit provides intense, true-to-tone colors that will make your treats pop. Achieve flawless coloring for both chocolate and candy. Its specialized formula ensures smooth integration without altering texture or taste. Experiment with color combinations effortlessly using the included mixing wheel. It's your guide to creating custom shades and perfect palettes. Each bottle contains a generous 2 ounces of concentrated liquid color. You'll have plenty to work with from multiple batches and detailed designs. Elevate your baking and candy making with professional-grade results. These colors are designed for both home bakers and professionals alike. This comprehensive 8-bottle kit is everything you need to bring your sweet creations to life. Get ready to impress with stunning, colorful desserts. What we like? Achieve stunningly vibrant colors for your confectionery creations with these easy-to-use liquid food colors. They are designed for seamless mixing with chocolate and candy. If you're a baker or candy maker looking to elevate the visual appeal of your treats, this kit is perfect. What people say. The colors are so vibrant and pigmented. Very few drops are needed for the product to change color. It's bright, durable, and easy to use. This oil-based food coloring is amazing. The pigments are rich, vibrant, and blend perfectly into chocolate, candy melts, and butter-based recipes without separating. A little goes a long way, and the colors stay bold even after setting. These colors are beautiful and brilliant. We used them to color white chocolate to drizzle over caramel apples, and they not only blended very well, the color just popped on presentation. Number 1. Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Reverse Flow Offset Smoker and Grill. Meet your new favorite tool for outdoor cooking. This versatile smoker offers customizable airflow for both reverse flow and traditional offset smoking methods. Whether you're searing with high heat or slow cooking your favorite dishes, charcoal fuel gives you complete control over your cooking temperature. With over 1,000 square inches of cooking space, including primary and secondary racks, you'll have plenty of room for any meal. Crafted from heavy-gauge steel, this smoker is built for durability and will be a reliable part of your outdoor kitchen for years to come. Achieve perfect results every time with the integrated professional temperature gauge, ensuring accurate monitoring throughout your cook. Keep your essentials within reach on the sturdy bottom shelf, and protect your hands with the convenient cool touch handles. For strategically placed baffles, work with the porcelain-coated grates to ensure consistent heat and smoke distribution for perfectly cooked food. What we like? This smoker offers versatile cooking with dual smoking modes and a generous cooking area. Its heavy-gauge steel construction ensures it will last. If you're a serious outdoor cook who values flexibility and durability for large gatherings, this smoker is an ideal investment. What people say. The product is very easy to use and clean. It heats up quickly and evenly, which is great for melting chocolate. The compact design makes it easy to store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.